Okay, let's take a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer, right?
Yes.
Keep in mind your answers should be crisp answers. Crisp answer means to the point, according to the question, in 4 5 sentences. Don't give irrelevant answer, indirect answer, very long answer, left right zigzag answer. Just straight away answer the question in 4 5 sentences and try to make compound sentences mainly. A compound sentence is when you join two ideas together, use connecting words, use signpost language in order to speak, right? Now let's take a start. Do you work or study?
So I completed my graduation in law from Punjab University in 2019, but in last year, 2020-21, I appeared in some subjects, and from January 2022, I am working with a lawyer.
Okay, since January
Since
2000, I have
yes,
been working with a lawyer.
and from 2012,
This
since
is a long answer. Listen, when examiner asks you the question, do you work or study? Examiner does not expect long answer because examiner wants to categorize you. Whether you are category of student, professional, house, or you're not housewife, but anyways, for housewives, it's that, right? So you should answer very, very briefly. Do you work or study? I have just completed my studies and at the moment I'm working with a lawyer. That's it. And then they will ask you more questions, right?
and I am also working as a teacher from 2012.
Okay, I have been working as a
I have
teacher.
been
Now,
working.
listen, let me tell you, IELTS speaking test is not a job interview
Yes.
that you have to tell them all important things and all that.
Okay.
When they ask you this first question, give a short answer, right?
Okay.
Now, let's go on. What do you usually do in your free time?
So in my free time, you can say at this time as we speak, I'm preparing my IELTS. When I have time, I prefer to prepare my IELTS. And before some months, when I didn't join this class, I prepared my GAT test, which is necessary for
Okay, you know what
to
you
get.
do? After speaking 2 3 words, you take a break.
Yes.
Then the next 3 words, then you take a break, then
Yes.
the next word. So try to speak continuously. I mean,
Yes.
you should speak sentence by sentence, right? Sentence by sentence says, well, in my free time, I mostly watch TV. On the other hand, if I find some more time, then I go outside and play some
Yes.
games. Like when you speak one sentence, then don't take a break. After a sentence, you can take a little pause and then go on like that. I mean, this is related to fluency. Okay, now let's move on. Do you watch TV?
No, sir, I didn't like this.
My question is, do you? So don't say didn't. Do you watch TV? No, I don't watch TV at all because I don't have time to
I,
watch TV.
I live in a hostel.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
have. I
Why
don't have.
didn't?
So I don't.
Okay.
Sorry, I don't have any TV on my
Listen,
flat.
listen, listen, listen. In
Yes.
IELTS speaking, examiner, when they start the regular questions, they don't want 1 to 2 sentence answers. These short answers will, what do you say, inspire the examiner to ask you more and more questions. One of my students said, examiner asked me 25 questions in part 1. And every time she was answering with yes, no, little answer, short answer. So if your answer is short, more questions on various topics, then you will be in serious trouble. So try to give a reasonable answer. Now, what's a reasonable answer? An answer that contains 4 to 5 sentences. That is what we call a reasonable answer, right?
Yes.
So let me ask you another question. Uh, do you do online shopping?
Yes. In 2020, I did
Listen.
online.
My question is, do you do online shopping? First, don't change the tense of the question. For example, do you do online shopping? No, I don't do online shopping regularly. I still remember once only in 2020, I ordered something online and I was not happy with the quality and the size of the
Yes.
product. So that is why I never do online shopping. Don't change the topic. Changing the topic means do you do online shopping? Once I did online shopping in the past and that experience was not very good. I ordered a pair of shoes and they sent me a pair of
Yes.
sandals and they were ladies sandal in pink color and I was not happy with those sandals. And what's the question? Do you do? Do you do is present. So
Yes.
you can give a short reference of the past, but you got to speak in present.
Okay.
Clear? These things are very, very important. Yeah?
Yes.
Now, let's go on. It's your turn. Do you work or study?
I am study
You're
student.
studying. You're a student. What
I
do
am a
you
student.
study?
I am a student MA education
Okay.
and
Yeah.
future in a teacher.
You're going to be a teacher in future.
Teacher.
Are you married?
Not
Then you should get married first and then become a teacher.
teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But maybe you can get married after becoming a teacher. You'll have more
More
opportunities.
opportunity.
Yeah, they're very good teachers, beautiful teachers. Exactly. Yeah. So, anyways, let's just go on. What do you like about your education?
Education is a biggest and more authentic profession, and
And this is a very noble job.
Noble job.
Teachers are respected all over the
Respected
world. That
man.
is why I like this profession.
profession.
Okay, would you like to change your profession?
No, sir.
Why not?
I am. I am.
I'm very,
Very
happy to be
happy.
a teacher.
I am very happy to teacher, and profession is also very good.
This profession is very good.
good.
Now listen, if you have same ideas, you will use same vocabulary, same sentence structure, that will give you very low band score. Come up with a variety of ideas. I mean, once you said teaching is a noble profession, teaching is a very good now don't say it again. If you answer every question in the same way that you answered the previous question, that will be the reason for low band score. Repetition is the band killer. And what is repetition? Repetition of words, repetition of sentences, repetition of same ideas. For every question you answer in the same way, same wording, same language, you will get low band score for that, okay? So try to come up with a variety. Now I change your topic. This time I'm going to ask you some questions about your friends. So do you have any best friend?
Yeah, of course, sir.
Tell me about your best friend.
Ali is my best friend and go to field and job.
No, just a second, don't take Ali to fields, ठहर जाएं अभी, alright? Ali is my best friend and we often go to fields to enjoy the nature,
Nature.
and he's a very good guy, so Ali is, I think, my most favorite friend. Just
and
like that.
completing the studying.
Now listen, don't talk too much about him, just link everything that you like him as a friend. Okay, how much time do you spend with your friends?
Yes, sir.
Now listen, when I say how much time do you spend with your friends, this answer does not need yes or no. There are yes no questions, there you need that. But how much time do you spend with your friends, this does not need yes no. Well, I spend time with my friends at the weekend because my friends are also free on the weekend. Most of my friends are doing jobs, some are still studying. So when we have weekend, we all get together. Therefore, every weekend I spend my time with my friends. I mean, just you need to come up because there is one thing we call it familiarization. So you should be familiar with these topics. Topics are simple and easy, but the thing is you have never discussed them. So answers should be, I use the word answers should be readily available. Readily available means I ask you what's your favorite color and you immediately say my favorite color is red. Why? Because you answered it already. So if I talk to you about friends, about family, answers should be readily available. Okay, and for that, you have the book, speaking book, practice from there, go through all the questions. Don't read the answers if you don't want to, but read all the questions so that you know if they ask me this question, I will answer. If they say favorite friend or best friend, I will talk about Ali. Otherwise, you start thinking, my best friend, wo wala chaval banda sahi nahi hai, wala chutha banda sahi nahi hai. You'll be thinking about that. So these answers should be readily available and that's fine, right? Okay, thank you.